What is up, guys? I'm back here again with another one, and then in this video I'm going to be talking about step index 300 instruments, which is a synthetic indices market. I really love synthetic markets because I can trade them anytime, and they are nice derivative that makes sense for me to trade. And I'll just get right into it. Yes, so what I'm saying right now is pretty amazing on step index 300. The last video that I did on step index 300, I was anticipating a buy at somewhere up, but actually the market retraced back into the 100%, almost 100% retracement of the Fibonacci before it started moving, even though I was anticipating on an hard time frame a real good move there, but the market did not do that. The market did not fulfill my anticipation. So right now that the market has reversed, giving us a bullish engulfing candle on a daily time frame zone, and the market has literally been moving for the past 3 days with a bullish momentum. So what do we expect? So looking at what has happened right now, if I'm looking at my daily time frame, what I can see right now at the moment is a break of a structure here, because the market has literally been trending down at the moment. But if we are looking at what we have now, we have a kind of break of structure. Why did I say we have a kind of break of structure? Because if we look at our daily time frame here, the market has actually went above this minor zone. So if I go to my what do we have here, my 4-hour time frame, I can see that there is a break of this zone here. So what I'm expecting is that the day is still running. We still have like 3 hours left before the day actually ends, and before the day actually ends, if we actually see that this candle really closed really amazingly, then what should we be expecting? We should be expecting a retest at this zone. And when the market does its retest and it rejects, emphasis on rejects, if the market comes back into this zone and it rejects it, giving us a rejection and a candlestick confirmation, giving us that this market is not interested in going up and going down with whichever time frame that we decide to use, then we have a good entry. I'm going to be taking this trade. Now there's a probability that it might break above this resistance zone at the moment that we is about to hit. If it breaks this resistance zone and it start to retrace back, all I have to do is just take my Fibonacci at the moment, because what I've realized over the years with step index indices, step indices, is that they don't really respect trend line. So they do majorly supply and demand zones. Strategy really works on them. So if I see that I bring out my Fibonacci and it has the Fib zone, which is 50 and 61.8%, and it aligns with my support and resistance zone at the moment, I am going to look for a candlestick confirmation that is showing a rejection from that zone when the market comes back and retrace into that zone. So when it does that and I see my entry criteria, a lot of other entry criteria, I am going to be entering this market, and I am going to be what? I'm going to be buying this market. I'm going to long this market. So that's just basically what I have for you on step index 300. It's just as simple as that. There's nothing much to do. So if you like what you see or what you've heard based on my analysis on step index 300, Please do well to like this video and share it with others who are interested in content like this, and do well please to subscribe as well. Kindly subscribe. If you have interest in my mentorship, I go deep into giving people or my students deep ways in getting their entry analysis, because actually anyone can analyze the market depending on or whichever strategy that they are using. But entry is always the most important thing. So if you are interested in that, I go deep into more than 2-3 entry strategies that I have, and which I use 3 of these entry strategies the most. So kindly apply for a mentorship. You can contact me through my Gmail, which is on my about page on this channel. So there you can be able to apply for the mentorship, and I'm going to teach you very well both analysis and also entries and exit strategies. So thank you very much for watching. It's another time. Peace out.